I want to talk to you about Labor Day week and Labor Day weekend. Everyone says, don't put your house on the market the last week in August. A few years back, I used to say, don't put your house on the market the last week of August. Everything's dead. Everyone's at the beach. Well, I got to tell you, I had 3 new listings and they all sold Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Actually, I had 6 sales that weekend. This year is no different than that year. Supply is down. Interest rates are under 4%. The buyers are looking. I'm out knocking on doors. Other agents are calling each other saying, hey, what do you have coming on the market? Please, please, please. So I just want to encourage you, even if you're under the radar and not actually in MLS, whatever you do, expose your property, get the word out, let people know that it's for sale the last week in August, Labor Day weekend. Thanks for watching.